Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate what appears to be a flaw in the design of the QuadLock MAG battery pack. This is my Pixel 8 Pro phone with the QuadLock MAG case and the QuadLock MAG battery pack. If I take the battery pack and I place it onto my phone, and you can see on the blue light right there, it's charging, and it will continue to charge without issue. Stays solid the entire time. However, if we put the phone in the case, which QuadLock designed for it, all the way in, and now we put the device back on, you will see that it will remain solid for a few seconds before then shutting off and not charging. There you go. It cannot charge through its own case. Pretty sad.